Now, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has rescinded his earlier plans to file a petition before the Judicial Service Commission seeking the removal of High Court Judge Esther Maina from office over claims of corruption. Gachagua says his decision is informed by the Chief Justice's move to reach out to President William Ruto to hold dialogue over claims of corruption in the judiciary. Gachagua had accused Justice Esther Maina of seizing his over 200 million shillings, terming it proceeds of corruption without allowing him a chance to defend himself. Chemutai Goyin reports.
I will lead by example. On Thursday, this coming week at 2:15, I will personally present a petition before Lady Chief Justice Martha Koome against Justice Esther Maina for her removal from the judiciary for misconduct and corruption.
On Sunday, the second-in-command announced his plan to go after High Court Judge Esther Maina over claims that she condemned him and had. This on the background of a sustained attack on the third arm of government by the president and his allies. However, almost an hour before the 2:15 p.m. date, a statement from the Deputy President's Communication Service was released, the DP having shelved his plans to allow for what he said was the ongoing discourse on the accountability of the judiciary in line with Article 10 of the Constitution. He further welcomed the move by Chief Justice Martha Koome to reach out to President William Ruto to hold dialogue on issues that have fueled the onslaught that has since cast doubt on the integrity of the judiciary. He urged Kenyans to rally behind the push, which has been criticized by many, including the Law Society of Kenya, which insists the talks are likely to influence the independence of the court.
What message is the Deputy President saying? That we have evidence of corruption against a particular judge, but we want to wait and have a side discussion with the judiciary over these issues before we take the action or any relevant action. And for us, that is subversion of the Constitution, and we hope that the Chief Justice will not succumb to this kind of pressure.
Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua had intended to censure Justice Maina over a decision she made that saw his over 200 million shillings seized over a declaration that they were proceeds of corruption. Gachagua claims he was denied his right to be heard.
We thought that he would do the right thing by filing the petition so that we can be able to examine the merits of the allegation that he made against that judge. And if we find that then they merit the removal of the judge, for the judge to be removed.
Earlier in the week, Chief Justice Martha Koome, who also heads the Judicial Service Commission, said while there were complaints about the conduct of some judicial officers, it was not the responsibility of the JSC to hear petitions over orders issued by the judges. The judiciary has for the past 3 weeks come under heavy criticism from the government, with the president saying they will deal firmly and decisively with corruption, no matter the arm of government. Chemutai Goyin, Citizen